game, because that's what we do here. We make games. Did I guess right? Is it another game?
Yeah, you're right.
Yes.
It's another game.
All right. I don't like to get risky with the predictions. So, can you introduce yourself and your project? What's it all about?
Yeah, for sure. So I'm Daniel Melcher. One of the designers for Unkindled. Our team is called Team Snippo, and Unkindled is basically a 3D platformer where you control a lone robot walking into like an abandoned city, or like abandoned city house.
So, what kind of gameplay challenges are here? Is it about exploration, puzzles?
Yeah, so it is basically about exploration. So you control this robot character. You don't know where you are. You don't know what's going on with the environment, and gravity is weird.
Oh, that's cool.
You have a bunch of like, yeah, it's okay. You're good. So you're controlling that, and you're trying to figure out why you're there. So it's a lot of like exploration based, and we want to make the players feel this excitement of like, exploring a new somewhere new with like some challenges and trying to figure out what you're doing. So it's a lot of like there's a bunch of like data logs that we're implementing with like stories and of course challenges, so makes the gameplay more fun to the player.
So what's kind of going on? It looked like that drill was something that you picked up. Are there multiple items like that, or what's going on with those?
Yeah, so the way we are structuring our game, it's each level you have like a specific ability, and all the puzzles are surrounded by this. So for this level, we have this drill where you can pick it up, and we have like a bunch of destructive walls. Right now, we're going to kill some sentries where you can use the drill to do that as well. To open paths, to find other enemies, and try to avoid all the problems you have. So right now we have the flashlight, we have a drill, we have of course this gravity change mechanic where you can climb up walls and have some fun, just trying to reach difficult places, which is really really fun to play.
That's really, like, how many of these levels and powers does the game have in it right now?
Right now, we have 2 levels ready. It changed a lot since I recorded this gameplay to this, so the build is kind of different right now, but the feel is the same, and we'll try to implement another level possibly for this build. Of course, time is a big thing for this class, and if possible, we want to try to implement another level.
Well, that'd be something really cool there. There seems to be a little bit of silliness going on with this floor wall hybrid thing. But while we're kind of sort through that, I mean, what was the initial pitch for this game like? And how's it changed over the semester?
So our original idea was to make something very similar to what Mario Galaxy did, with all the planets and the way the gravity works. So you wanted to have the player explore different scenarios using this gravity change for some purpose. That was like our original idea. But after test trying a couple times and because of time consuming too, we decided to make things more simple. Now you actually were a robot and you were exploring a city and you find other dead robots that are the same as you to tell the story. It did not change a lot from our original idea. I think we're just trying to simplify this vision that we had in the beginning.
So were there any kind of important lessons your team had to learn to really pull this into practice?
Yeah, for sure. I think first of all, it's we got a really small team. We had like 4 people working in this game. So it was really important to us to kind of be more active and learn other stuff other than we already know. So we had like some art people working a little bit on scripts as well. We had some programmers working in level design, and et cetera, et cetera. So that was a big thing. Another really important thing is learn to work with other people, as it was like the first big project that we had as a team, and working with other people. So you had to kind of, learn how to work with other people, how to be the best of ourselves. Because a lot of times we had problems like someone was working the level, had a save working with other things the same level, so one of the saves were lost, and it's a lot of complications.
Classic version control woes. So, Twitch wants to know specifically, X Destroy All, is this demo going to be available anywhere for people to play, or will there be one at a later date when you're closer to completion?
Yeah, in a later date, we're planning to publish that in itch.io in about 1 or 2 weeks maximum. So you can keep an eye in there. In maximum 2 weeks, the game will be posted there.
All right, so keep an eye on out that, folks. If you wanna, take a drill to some walls as a 4-legged spider robot, homie. So that just about wraps it up for our traditional game dev presentations.